Jared. I met Jared. I have his autograph. It's on like a card. It's so cool. I met him at the Go Kids Challenge thing. He's really nice, and he's not fat at all. He did? Lettuce. Talk for a little bit. Lettuce talk for a little bit. Lettuce.
Oh.
You get it? Like lettuce, like let us talk for a little bit. And I'm gonna have light mayo. Is it going? Hold on, he's getting my mayo. What's that green stuff? That green stuff. That stuff with the green lid. Green lid. That's not a green. That right there. Green lid. Green lid. Oil. Like. Ooh. What do you guys do? Do I get a cookie?
Yeah, it's apple liquid substituted for cookie.
It's apple. No, can I have a cookie instead?
Yeah. It comes in the milk. If you want to change that to the regular size.
Yes. Is that gonna cost me? Oh, sweet. Sweet. Wow. Have you seen that? What is that? Wow. What? Chocolate chip. Have you seen it? It was like, wow, wow. You've just been punked. Wow, wow. Why are you laughing? You haven't even seen it. It's funny, he's like, oh my god, Ashton Kutcher, oh my god, wow, wow, wow. And he's like, oh my god, you're so annoying. Dance Dance Revolution, do I get a game? I got a toy. Here's my money. Dude, it's a water bottle. Money.